Okay, now we're going to look at relationships within a triangle. Okay, so let's draw us a good triangle here. And we're going to name this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Okay? So there's the names of our angles. If you remember it, you will remember that the sum of the interior angles of the triangle equal 180 degrees. So, therefore, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180 degrees. So if you know these angles or how they're related, if you know two of them, you can always find the third angle. Now, you know that the measure of angle 3 and the measure of angle 4 also equals 180 degrees. Why? Because they're supplementary angles. And so you have the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 180 degrees as well. So now we have two different things that equal 180 degrees. So what do you think the measure of angle 4 is going to equal? Okay, well, let's look at that. Let's look. What does the measure of angle 4 equal? So, since this equals this and this equals this, we can say that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. Since this equals 180, that also equals 180. They have to be able to equal each other because they both equal the same thing. So now, if we subtract the same thing from both sides, since we both have measure of angle 3 here, equation solving skills, which you have already learned, means that this is 0 and this is 0, and therefore you are left with the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 4. Therefore, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the non-adjacent angle, interior angles. This one is adjacent to angle 4. Therefore, the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to equal to the non-adjacent interior angles of the triangle. You are going to receive two worksheets. One of the worksheets will work with the transversal lines and labeling and indicating the relationships. And another worksheet, they're going to give you one angle measurement or two angle measurements, and you have to figure out all the rest of the measures of the angles by using the relationships which you know. This relationship which we just talked about, also the relationship of the transversals and a line which is cut, a transversal cutting two transversals. So that will be a fun exercise for you guys to do as you look at how that works. Okay, there's some other things which it would be good to know, and we will do that on the next video.